guys, so I'm filming a video today, right now, and kind of ignore my skin because I've been picking at it. Yeah. But I'm doing a get ready with me. I was gonna film the try new products type thing, but the products I have are kind of like for a semi-glow vibe, and I don't really want to be putting that stuff on my skin right now because I kind of just want to, like, it sounds bad, but like cover the stuff I've been picking at up. But that's on me, so I'm gonna get that video to y'all still. I haven't used any of those products, but I'm gonna just do a get ready with me. I really want to like get ready today, like put on a dress or something, because like, I don't even know. I think I'm gonna go grocery shopping. I have my chai tea drink ready. That looks like garbage. It's cinnamon, but it looks like so. Anyways, I don't know why it does that. What? Ew, that looks like what I said, doo-doo. Like, what? Yum! But yeah, I'm gonna do a little colorful look today. I realized that I haven't done like a neutral look in a while, but that's just because I'm really sad, so I need to like... Can y'all shut up? So, I'm gonna do like colorful look. Because I've only been doing color. I've talked about this before, like when I use color eyeshadow, you know something's wrong. Because I'm trying to mask how I'm feeling. But anyways, I want to use this new Sugar Pill palette that I got. The other one's saved for the video I'm gonna film, but I also got this mini one that I wasn't gonna include in it, so I think I'm gonna use this. Dua Lipa's album came out and I love it. I wasn't gonna film a get ready with me today because I wanted to listen to that album when I got ready, and my skin isn't the best right now, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna film. I'm gonna push through it. I don't know if I should zoom in on this or not. Yeah, it's kind of fun, so I'm gonna do that. Dude! I don't know what look to do. I remember I used to do like one eye at a time, and that was crazy. Like, how did I even do that? I think my looks turned out better when I did that because I took more time on it, but it took me forever. Also, this already looks like garbage, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. Also, in my last video, I brought up the stuff going on, like the virus and everything, and I was like, I really have nothing to say about it and everything. One of the reasons why I haven't like said a lot about it on like social media and stuff, I know you don't really care, but I feel like, I don't know, I don't like that everybody's talking about it. Like, I understand it's something to talk about and it should be like, oh, I'm gonna pretend like it doesn't exist, whatever. But I don't talk about it in my videos just because I feel like people kind of need a break from that. I've been stuck inside, I mean everybody has basically, and I feel like it's good to not think about it for 2 seconds. That could sound like kind of stupid to some people, like this is a crisis, like you should be paying attention. And I'm not ignoring it, it's just like, I feel like there needs to be something where like people can kind of get away from it. That's why I don't really want to talk about it. It's not because I'm ignoring it and I don't care and stuff. I just really don't want like it to invade everything. So if like somebody watches my videos trying to stop thinking about it, then I'm not going to talk about it, you know? But if I don't talk about it, it's not because I'm ignoring it and I don't care about it, because it is really serious, but like, I don't know, it's just, I wanted to let y'all know. Ew, this looks bad already. I don't even know what I'm doing. My eyelids are gonna be so stained after this, but I don't care. I don't got anywhere to be. Like, I got nowhere to be. I also have no idea if we have like online classes right now because I'm not paying attention to anything. And I'm gonna make like the thingy. I've been cleaning all day, listening to Dua's new album, and I could not think of a better way to spend my time. I just couldn't. I just can't. I love that chick, for real. I don't think I've ever done like pink and purple together. I used to despise pink, like I hated it. Lately I've been kind of living for it, like, man, what is this? What is this? Like, I just want to know. Should I do eyeliner like on the outline? I feel like that would just make it worse. I think that sparkles will save this. This isn't bad. It's just like literally just 2 colors on my eyelid, you know? Like, I'm just, it needs something. There's no flavor. Ew, I hated saying that, but I don't care. Probably gonna add like a darker purple to make it darker. Duh. That's actually kind of cute. Shut up. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Oh, I guess I could add this like really dark purple shimmer and I kind of make a liner out of it? Question mark. I'm doing it. That's cool. That's kind of cool. You can't really see it right now, but that's kind of cool. But as I've said 10 times already, it looks cool. Look, my doo-doo water now. Don't show up. My hand looks like this, so my eyes can look like this. Oh my god, I'm not doing liner today. Ah, that's so scary. I just feel like liner makes me look so so much better. It's just a fact, I'm sorry. Like, I'm not even gonna pretend like liner doesn't make me look like a completely different person, because it does. At least the liner I do, because it's always so big. It's not like gigantic or anything insane, but like it's not like the cute little wing. And it's not like I don't want to do the cute little wing, I just can't do that cute little wing. Like, I just can't. I should probably do the sparkles now if I'm gonna do them at all. 1, 2, 1. I don't know, I have a big eyelid, so like, okay, I'll just do 3, it's whatever. Okay, I think that's 6. I don't know, maybe I can't count to 6, I don't know. We'll see. I'm scared, I always drop them, and then I can't find them in my carpet. Man, I don't even want to know how many of those gemstones are in my carpet right now. I don't want to know half things that are hidden in my carpet right now, but that's besides the point. Ew, I picked my blackheads with these tweezers, so that's good for my eyelids. Oh my god. Did y'all see that? It just went straight off. Where is it? Oh my god, I'm never gonna find it! What? I could have sworn I was doing that like perfectly. Like, I thought it was gonna go on my lid, that'll be fine. Oh my god, where'd it go? Oh, I found it. I really thought I was doing something. I was like, okay, I hope my palette wasn't in the way when that happened. Literally, my one job is to show like what I'm doing to my eyes, and I don't even do that half the time. So what? I don't even... Oh, okay. Yes. Oh my god, did that really just do it that easily? Yes! I need like a ruler. I'm for real gonna wear a dress to Market Street and nobody can tell me not to, because I will. Ah! That was crazy. Oh, where is it? Oh, I found it. Oh my god, it literally worked. I'm gonna listen to Dua Lipa while I put on my lashes, so don't mind me while this is on mute, because I don't want to get copyrighted. Love it. I have to mix them a certain way though. I do 3 pumps of Fenty. 1, 2, 3. Oh wow, it's empty. That rhymed. Did it? It did rhyme. Bars. That sound, do y'all hear it? Love it. Love it or list it. Dude, that show is crazy fun. I love it. You can still see like the stuff I picked up, but it's okay. Concealer is on the way. That rhymed again. Bars on bars on bars on bars. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my cream contour. Why not look at myself like I did something? Girl, you did nothing. Turning into Maddie from Euphoria in quarantine be like. Okay, I'm gonna bronze and do blush and stuff when I listen to music, because I really want to listen to Dua right now, like I'm having withdrawals, so I'll listen to music while I do that. But you're gonna see me, but you ain't gonna hear me unless I pause it to say something really important. But I usually don't have anything important to say, so yeah. Okay, I got my fix. Just bake underneath. I don't have that much more to do. I just have to do highlight and like my lower lash line and stuff. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm completely done with my makeup. I had to finish my makeup and then straighten my hair off camera because I don't have storage on my SD card right now. So I just decided to finish it off camera. That was not my, well, it was my choice, but I blame it on the SD card. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know that staying inside is really hard for a lot of people, so I hope you guys are making the best of it. I know it's a really tough situation, but I promise it'll be okay in the end. It's just really hard right now, but it's okay. But if you feel like you're kind of struggling being alone at the house, or like, you know, you just feel stuck or trapped, you can always talk to me through DMs because I totally get it. And even though with all the things I have to do or things I have that I can do, it still feels very isolating and kind of dangerous. So yeah, I just know that getting out is like a thing that helps a lot of people, because I know that everybody's house is different. Not everybody enjoys being in their house all the time, so you can always talk to me because I get it. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a great day or night or whenever I end up uploading this.